Hi, how are you all doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. Okay. Let me get everything set out right here. So, I understand that you all are here for a modification. You're seeking an increase in child support.
Yes, ma'am.
The goal is to get you to come to some sort of an agreement. You may not necessarily agree with everything, but that's the goal here today. So I'll start with you. You're seeking an increase in child support.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much is your child support right now?
Right now, he pays $80 a month for just medical insurance,
Okay.
health insurance.
Okay. So you're seeking a modification.
I am
so
seeking.
You want an increase. So roughly about how much was the child support?
Probably roughly $100 a month.
$100. Okay. And you're looking for more than that.
Yes.
And what is your reasoning for the basis of?
Our daughter is now 12, and she needs. She's going to get to the point where she needs braces, dance class, cheerleading. There's lots of after-school activities that she's going to need to participate in to keep her busy, and all this is expensive. I can't bear all of the burden on my own, and he feels like that he should be able to come and participate, show up at the events, but not have to pay for anything.
Okay.
I expect to get an increase in my child support. I have found out through different resources that he has $22,000 in his savings account. He tells me he's broke. He can't help pay for braces. He can't help pay for dance lessons. And I know that he has more money and he's hiding it, and I want it.
All right. Health insurance, $100 in child support. And these extracurricular activities, roughly how much are they?
They probably run about $400 to $500 a month.
She's pretty active.
Very active, yes. Unlike her father.
Okay. Well, I just want to go over one rule. The more you guys, you may not like each other, but it really helps if you don't attack each other, because that will not pull you closer to an agreement. How much money are you making right now?
I make $2,000 a month.
$2,000 a month. What do you do?
Construction, yeah.
Okay.
Drywall.
Drywall. Okay. All right. All right. And do you have any other income or anything like that?
No.
Oh, let's discuss that, please. Yes.
Oh, you know about this?
Yes, he has a savings account. Let her know how much money's in your savings account.
Is that relevant?
It's very relevant. Let her know.
Actually, it is pretty relevant.
I got $22,000 in my bank account.
Okay.
Amazing.
$22,000. And you haven't given your daughter any of that, correct?
No.
Okay. So, let's see. $2,000. So I don't know. Have you? You guys have gone through the Attorney General obviously before.
Yes.
That's how you got the $100 child support amount calculated previously. Well, the court can do what they call deemed income, meaning that $22,000 that's in your savings, it can be deemed income and calculated for purposes of child support. So, if you were in a situation where you were in court, that $2,000, we will break down the gross the net. I'm sorry. So the gross is $2,000. So your net will come out to about $1,042.88. You all is just one child, correct? You
Yes.
only have one child.
No, I have another child from another woman.
Okay. So that's that, and then your $22,000. We break that down over a 12-month period. That brings it to $1,833.33. You add both of those together. I'm just giving you the numbers.
Yes, I love the clicking. Continue.
So the $3,576.21 would be your net income. So what happens is, you also get a credit for the health insurance. So let's give you a credit for that. So $1,742.88. 88 cents minus the $80. That would bring your net down to $1,662.88. And let's add that to that 1833.33. So that does bring it down to $3,496.21 because you will be giving credit for the health insurance. So You have one other child. There's one here. So this would be based on 17.5%. So all I do is multiply that, and that will bring your give me your child support obligation times 17.5%. That brings your child support obligation to $611.84. Now, that is based on the calculation of Texas law.
Yes, ma'am.
You are able to give him a break on that.
Oh,
or take
certainly,
the
certainly.
whole amount. I mean, you have the option to do that while you're in mediation. Not so much in court, because the judge can, say, hey, that's what you're going to pay. But you do have that flexibility to cut him a break on that amount.
In today's mediation, I'm hoping the mediator will, see on my side and, not make me have to keep on paying for this woman. I expect her to quit trying to take advantage of me and pay her own way.
Let's do this. How about this? This is just a suggestion. So it costs you about $400 a month for extracurricular activities.
Right.
Right? How about you take that 611 and make it, let's meet in the middle. Let's make it $450. Because that at least for sure, if nothing else, covers extracurricular activities, and he's still on the hook for the medical insurance every month.
I'll do $550.
$550 is still lower than the $611.
It's fine.
Okay, so that means $550 plus the $80 you will be paying. That's actually $630. Well, that's more than the amount. So would you do less than $550?
No,
$550?
no.
Okay.
I want $550.
Sucking a snake, like I said.
What about if you do $550? Would you carry the health insurance and just
No.
forgive him for that?
No.
Okay. So you're okay. You guys are agreeing to the $550, right?
If it gets her off my back, yes.
Okay, $550.
Well, I should have get the 611 then if you really want me to be off your back.
Well, we're making progress. We don't want to work backwards, right? The goal is to come to an agreement because that's what's going to be in the best interest of your daughter, right?
Yeah, remember her? That one? Our
So-
daughter? Remember?
Let me just tell you the full agreement. $80 in health insurance. You're going to keep maintaining that. The $550, that's what she has agreed to reduce it down to from the $611.84. And, just so you understand, whatever is to be paid for extracurricular activities, that's what
Yes.
comes out.
Yes.
Okay? So, you all have any other questions or anything like that? I'm glad you all were able to work it out so you don't have to go to court.
It's fun, isn't it? Isn't this fun?
Yeah, exactly why we got divorced.
Yes. Imagine that.
No other questions?
No.
When do
Okay.
I get the first check?
So what I have to do is go ahead and draft up what's known as a mediated settlement agreement.
Okay.
You guys can't revoke it or anything like that.
Okay.
It's set in stone pretty much now. So after I draft that out, and you all will go to court with the order, and it'll move forward from there. And since we're in the middle of the month, we'll just make it for the first of the next month.
Can you do that?
Are we done here?
Yes. And you all will remain here. I'm going to go ahead and get this drafted out and bring it back to you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You all have a great day.
Oh, and you too.
Thank you. You definitely want to try to maintain a good co-parenting relationship with your other parent, because as I tell people all the time, your co-parent is your biggest ally. Your co-parenting skills is your biggest ally, and the other parent is your biggest ally. Because if anything were to go wrong with the child, they get sick, something happens at school, any type of situation, it's that other parent that you're going to be relying on. So you want to maintain a healthy relationship with that person.
All right, you got what you wanted.